Today we're going to take a look at 3 amazing iOS widget applications that I cannot live without. Come on. Hey guys, Joe here from Massey Media. Hope everyone's doing well. Our first application is Birthday Reminder App Widget by Stefan Leisendahl. It's free to start with a $6 Pro upgrade. You get small, medium, and lock screen widgets as well. You can see 3 upcoming birthdays on small and 5 on medium. When we launch the application here, you can scroll through your previously imported list. You get 7 for free. You can import more directly from iCloud with the Pro version or through a CSV file. You can even create one manually here as well that isn't synced with, any other cloud services. So just a great UI, a really nice way to look at your upcoming birthdays. The photograph that you have for each contact is what you see here. This is something that I keep on my Today view as well as my home screen. Okay, at number 2, we have Days Since, Quit Habit Tracker by a couple of friends, OOD. It's free with monthly premium upgrades at $3, annual at $18, or $50 for the lifetime. In the config, you can see we begin with the calendar view and our days since we began counting, whatever the thing may be. When you create a new one, let's say we want to do one for smoking, you can immediately choose the color and add an emoji, and it shows up inside the application. Now you get to add 4 to your medium widget, 1 to small, and up to 8 on the large. So we can go ahead and choose drinking and smoking for the medium widget here. Now we can also reset the timer. The small one is interactive. Let's say we had a cup of coffee and we want to reset that. We can add smoking to the large widget as well, and you can choose 1 for the lock screen. So we added junk food to the lock screen there. Again, just a really great way to track your days since. And last but certainly not least, we have MD Vinyl Music Widget by MyDieTech. It's free with a $3 premium upgrade. Lots of different color options to choose from. Tons of small, medium, and large widgets available. If we hit the play button on our record, we can actually see the vinyl moving and some animation on certain widgets. There's lots of different customizations to each one of these widget categories as well. So if we launch the application, you can see we have Vibe, Radio, and Vinyl are the 3 main options that we have to choose from. We can go into Vibe and we can customize what we want to see, how we want to see it. We can adjust the music info, the controls, the like or love button, whether that's available or not. Tons of different options to choose from. I do have the premium membership here. You can also see that we're able to connect Apple Music and Spotify accounts. Now, there is no lock screen widget because by default, the OS has that music scrubber built in. Otherwise, this is a phenomenal enhancement to the built-in music widget we have today. That's it. That concludes our video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.